Thank you for giving us the opportunity to come and present our software to you. My name's Roach. That's my partner, George, looking more like a superstar DJ back there than a tech guy. And yeah, and we're here to introduce to you Gigham, which is your ultimate guide to play. So what's happening? What's happening this weekend? What's going on? These are essential, fundamental questions we all as humans want to know. Yeah? From my grand to my kids, we all want to know what's going on. Problem is, with all this technology today, it's not that easy. It should be easier, but it's not that easier to find out what's going on. Most cities in the world don't have a timeout. Yeah? You don't have the ability to find one place where you can go and find everything that's going on. I mean, imagine right now being able to step out of this convention center and see exactly what's going on around you, who's going, where your friends are going, where the pretty girls are. Yeah? And that's kind of why we built Gigham, because that solution doesn't exist. Yeah? So what Gigham does is we automatically aggregate events and venue information from Facebook and various other sources, pull it into a central database, match it with accurate geo-coordinates to the venues, categorize it, sort it, and create for any city the most comprehensive and diverse database of events in that city. And it's not just parties we pull. We pull art and theater and yoga classes and conspiracy meetups and conventions and whatever's going on. All arrives into the same database. Yeah? So what we're doing is we're taking away the pain. We're taking away the pain for consumers. We're taking away the pain for promoters to add your events to Gigham, log in once with Facebook, and we'll take your events and accurately map them and present them from there on in. The other bonus that automation gives us is it makes it cheap and easy for us to scale. Yeah? So over the last week, we've built Gigham Nairobi. Yeah? It took me most of last week. So let's have a look at what's going on in Nairobi this weekend. Joey? All right, this is brand new. We've got, unfortunately, the resolution's not so good, but we've got 370 events in Nairobi happening in the next month or so. You can see there's all kinds of stuff. There's music, there's art, there's theater. Let's have a look at one of the events. When you click onto it, you can see it's all linked into Facebook, so you can see who's going. You can see pictures of pretty girls. If you scroll down a bit there, you can see the conversation, what people are saying. You can see similar and related events. If you go back a bit to the main screen there, you can see we've got a map view. You can quickly and easily identify what's going on in the area around you. You can filter by categories. You can filter by date, and you can filter by sub-regions. You might only want to know what's going on in your hood. You can do that with Gigham. So it's a pretty cool events listing site. And in most cities, we've been to 3 cities so far. It's much more comprehensive than anything else that exists. But what's really exciting about this for us is that we're not just building a consumer-facing website. We're building an events network. So our idea is that Gigham needs to be ubiquitous. Yeah? Wherever people are, whatever phones they're using, whatever services they're using, our events are going to be there. So we're already feeding, for any city we launch, we're feeding feeds into Twitter, Cape Town Clubbing, Joburg Arts, Nairobi Bendover maybe. Yeah? But we're also feeding into Mixit, we're feeding shortly into To Go and Thumb Tribe. And as we spread around the world, because our intention is to take Gigham to 1,000 cities in the next 5 years, whatever technologies people are using, we are able to put events in front of them. Right? So what this allows us to do is it allows us to unify the events marketplace. Yeah? We're bringing events closer to promoters, promoters closer to the people that are going to those events, and for the vendors and the brands and the other people who activate and make their business around events, we're bringing a marketplace into play that's easy for them to activate and easy to access. Yeah? So how do we make money out of this thing? That's maybe the most exciting part out of all of this, because what we've discovered is there are many, many verticals that we can monetize out of and around events, and each of them can be profitable, and when you combine them together, they're kind of a game changer. Yeah? So for the meantime, the 2 verticals that we've been playing with in South Africa that are at easiest access, advertising. There isn't a brand that we've been to see yet or an agency that hasn't been really excited about the combination of network, distribution, and targeting. Categories, those are owning a category. That's exciting for the brands we've spoken to so far. But also white labeling, monetizing our content has proven quite interesting. It seems that there are loads and loads of businesses out there whose customers could benefit from knowing more about what's going on related to them. And we're delivering events. We've got one customer a high-end hotel in Joburg. They want just high-end events to show to their customers inside their app. You can see it here on the screen in front of you. It looks nothing like Gigham. We give them a filtered feed. It takes about 5 minutes a day to maintain, and they pay us $2,000 a month. And that is just the first of many, many companies that we're talking to and dealing with. In the long run, we see there's tremendous opportunity, especially in places where credit card and online shopping are valuable. We're bringing customers closer to the events. We can sell tickets, we can sell merchandise, we can sell VIP tables, deals, anything else that people are interested in around events. So in a nutshell, that's what Gigham is. We'll be live for 100 days in Cape Town, 6 weeks in Joburg, and a week in Nairobi. We're here at Demo Africa. We're looking for further investment. We're looking for media partners and distribution. We're at stand D13 over there. Please come and say hello. Thank you.
Thank you.